Hey y'all, Mikey here from As Good As It Gets, coming at you from Crock Posse Central. Around here we call it the CPC. Just letting you guys know that we have decided that we, as a family, are going to go on spring break this week. Now, I know that means we still have to stay home and we can't go anywhere, but we're going to hang out and enjoy some family time and kind of get away from it all, probably hanging out on the big back porch. I should have got a picture of that. But while we're on the big back porch, I'm pretty sure Miss Ad will be dreaming of Disney World, because I know that's where she'd love to go. Cris would love to go see the Grand Canyon. I think us as a family would love to go back and see the Badlands. If I had my druthers, I'd be back in Dripping Springs right now because I could use me some Texas. But anyway it goes, we're going to be hanging out at the house. That doesn't mean you're not going to see stuff, because I'm going to do a lot of recording this week. I've got some music projects that I want to get involved in, and they're really, really good. So I will be putting those up on the channel. And also, if you are on Facebook, make sure that you join us Saturday night at 8 p.m. That's Eastern Daylight Savings Time, because we're in Indiana and we're weird like that. But come hang out with us this Saturday night. I will broadcast from my page over to the Mikey Goode Music Facebook page, as well as the As Good As It Gets Facebook group that you all need to be a part of in order to see the music. Come hang out with us this weekend, and I'm going to do that every single weekend until I can go out and play gigs again, and I'm hoping to land some more in Texas or at a town near you. Where y'all from? Any place I can play? You know I'd like to hang out. We'll see you guys real soon. We love you. Stay safe, wash your hands, and stay home.